has repeatedly stressed that women and child safety remains one of his government's top priorities. In fact, the government is also all set to launch the ambitious Singapen task force, an elite all-women police unit that is aimed at tackling crimes against women and strengthening surveillance in vulnerable areas. But serious questions are now being raised over the ground reality of law and order in the state. In the latest incidents that have triggered outrage, a 61-year-old woman was allegedly sexually assaulted, while a 16-year-old boy was allegedly harassed by a head constable. The police have launched investigations and are collecting evidence in both cases. Amid these disturbing crimes involving the elderly and children, the launch of the much-publicized Singapen task force has now been postponed for a second time, with no official reason being cited so far for the postponement. Let's talk about what this task force actually is. Now, it is an elite all-women police unit which is aimed at strengthening women's safety in the state. The aim of this task force is to prevent gender-based crime that takes place in the state. Remember, one of the biggest issues that Vijay had spoken about even before the elections was the state of law and order in Tamil Nadu. He had promised that people of Tamil Nadu will feel safe if he comes to power, if the TVK comes to power in the state. So the aim of this task force is to prevent harassment as well as stalking and monitor crowded areas, the sensitive locations across the state, and also conducting surveillance in the crime-prone areas. But there has been a delay in the task force actually coming into effect, and the BJP has now launched a sharp attack on the Tamil Nadu government over this law and order issue. Slamming the Vijay government, they say that crimes against women and children are recurring and show no signs of abating. They in fact claim that even though the regime has changed, the situation on ground remains exactly the same. Other opposition leaders have also claimed that citizens in Tamil Nadu are living in fear amid the rising concerns over safety and security.
निश्चित तौर पे पूरे प्रदेश में, देश में और हर जगह इस तरह की घटनाएं लगातार आ रही हैं। इसका मतलब इस देश का सिस्टम कहीं ना कहीं कमज़ोर है और हम कन्वे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अपनी तमाम सारी उस जनता को कि उसे क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसके लिए फोर्स नहीं, इसके लिए ऐसे कानून बनने चाहिए जिससे कि लोग रेप करने से पहले 100 बार सोचें।
Leadership quality is an ideal recipe for lawlessness and poor law order situation. A 10-year-old girl was raped and killed at Sulur. 16-year-old boy was sexually assaulted by a policeman. When women are feeling unsafe in this government, the Chief Minister came up with an announcement of Singapen. The Singapen force, which was exclusively formed for the security of women and girls in Tamil Nadu. That event is allegedly being delayed, postponed, we don't know whatever reasons it may be. In an ideal situation, a committed government will prepone things to ensure safety and security of women, but the priorities of this Chief Minister and the government are unexplainable.